So if you look at these three bubbles, um, the three bubbles are very similar to each other. Uh, the Motors bubble, the Tronics bubble, and the dot-com bubble, each of them is about 38 to 40 years apart. And the 38 to 40 years apart is not a coincidence. The reason they're that far apart is because the set of investors that saw this bubble have to have exited the scene before the next bubble can take place, because then there's nobody to tell them that, hey guys, you guys are smoking dope, this we've seen this movie before. And I remember that when the internet bubble was going on, Buffett would talk a little bit at that time about the Motors and the Tronics bubble, but he was just drowned out. In fact, most of the talk at that time was, kind of like, what's wrong with you, Warren? You're not in these stocks, and Berkshire stock has dropped a lot, and so on and so forth. Uh, so, I would not be surprised if the next one is in kind of the uh, 2036 to 2042 range, and who knows what the theme is going to be then. It could be transport companies taking people to Mars. Um, we don't know. We don't know what the and if it is something like that, transport to the moon or transport to Mars, then all the investors at the time are going to look at these previous three bubbles and not see any similarity between these three and that one, because they're going to say, well, this time it's different. The last one is different, but we're getting a whole new planet. So we got a different set of things to worry about. So uh, most of you will very much be, I guess 40 something when the next one comes around, and you will know, and you will know how to sidestep it, or like Mark Cuban, hedge the hell out of it.